So today what I'm going to show you is another amazing recipe from the McDougall Cookbook, and it is a rice pudding recipe, and it is one of the easiest desserts I've ever made, and we all love it. The ingredients are very simple, and I'll walk you through everything. So here is an image of the recipe, so you can look at it right up here. And this is what you're going to need. I have 2 cups of cooked rice, and basically what I did is I cooked 1 cup of rice, and it turns into 2. So you're going to need 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of raisins, 3/4 cups of water, 3/4 cups of milk, nut milk. I'm using soy milk. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and that is it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this dish, but before I do that, I'm going to mix all of my ingredients. I mean, that's how easy it is. And I just cooked this rice so it's warm. So I'm going to add my water, my milk, my cinnamon, vanilla, and my maple syrup, 2 tablespoons. There we go. And my raisins. And I'm just going to mix all this in the pot that I cooked the rice in. Just mix it really well. It smells so good, so delicious. And then what I want to do is I'm going to use a dish for the bottom because we're going to bake this in the oven. Just in case there's overflow, it doesn't mess up my oven. And I'm going to pour all this in a glass, or you can use Pyrex dish. You're going to spread it out. And I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil, or you can use a dish. You want to cover it tightly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of prick a little bit, because last time I didn't prick, the last time I made it, and it kind of erupted. So I was glad I had the dish underneath. And what you want to do is you're going to bake this in an oven for 45 minutes. And the oven is preheated at 325. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes, and I am going to take it out and set it to the side here. And we'll just peel back. That is what it's going to look like. And I'm just going to let it cool for a little bit. Okay, so it's been cooling for about 5 minutes, and I just took my spoon and I'm just gonna aerate it a little bit. Now you can serve this cold, or you can serve it warm, or you can even serve it hot. It's up to you. I'm just gonna cover it, and then I'll show you how we're gonna eat it. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna serve it, just warm and just with a spoon, and it's ready. You can sprinkle some more cinnamon on top if you want. But it is a perfect, delicious dessert, and we're probably going to eat the whole thing tonight. Thanks for watching.